Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your internet in Windows. This method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So whichever you have, be sure to watch the video to make sure that your internet speed is growing. So first of all, we are going to click on our start, and in the search bar, we are going to search for run. We are going to open run. Now we are going to type ncpa.cpl. We're going to open this. Now we are going to find our Wi-Fi adapter. So this is my Wi-Fi adapter right here. We're going to right click on it. We're going to click on properties. From here, we're going to open the option called Internet Protocol version 4. So we're going to double click on this. So in DNS server, we have obtained DNS server address automatically. We're going to select use the following DNS server addresses. Now we can type down two addresses here. The first address is 1111 and 1001. So this is a cloud DNS server. It's quite fast. Otherwise, you can use Google's DNS server, which is 8888 and 8844. So we are going to click on OK. Then we're going to click on OK to save the settings. After that, we are going to click on properties again. Then we are going to click on configure. After selecting configure, we're going to go to advanced settings. Now my wireless adapter is quite old, so I don't have all the settings here. So we have preferred band. In preferred band, we are going to select prefer 5 GHz band. We have roaming aggressiveness. In roaming aggressiveness, you can select a lowest if your router is closest, because lowest is going to give you the most speed out of your Wi-Fi router. So if your router is close, then you can select lowest, or you can also select medium low if your router is in the room beside you. Otherwise, it is best to select lowest. After you have set these options, make sure to find an option called Fat Channel Intolerant. After you find that option, make sure to disable that option too. After that, you will find options called channel width for 2.4 GHz and channel width for 5 GHz. You should make sure that both of these values are set to auto. And after you make sure that all of the options are set properly, make sure to click on OK. And after clicking OK, our settings will be saved. After you are done, make sure to restart your computer. And after you restart, go to your Wi-Fi. And from here, we're going to click on the right arrow. And when you are going to find other Wi-Fi's around, then you can be sure that you have enabled 5G in your computer. As you can see, I'm currently connected to a 2G router, but I'm getting 5G networks as well. However, this 5G does not belong to me, so I'm unable to connect to it at the moment. But if you have access to 5G Wi-Fi connection, then make sure to connect to 5G and your speed will increase significantly. And then your internet speed of Windows should be increased. So guys, if you found this video helpful and your speed is increased, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.